Hello dear Pisces, welcome back to my channel and this is your first week's reading of July. Exclusive career plus love reading. You can imagine that we're already in July. I can't believe it. I've been saying this like in every reading that we're already in July. And then I started posting regularly last year, June. Yes, end of June. June last week was the time, like this week was the time when I started posting my videos again. After 2021-22, I took a break, right? So I cannot believe that I'm completing 1 year of consistency. So thank you to all those who have been associated with me for that long, and your cards are already out. So before any delay, we are going to dive in. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe so that you can get the notifications in advance. We will be starting with your personal life first. You've got the Prophetess and the Six of Sons. Prophetess tells me, as you already know, I must have said that a million times, and you also know that you are an intuitive being. You're very intuitive, you know what's going to happen, you're somewhere prepared, and your intuition always guides you in some way or the other. I am feeling or sensing that your intuition has been telling you that you're ready to be in a relationship, that you're ready to get married, or that person that you're missing, that ex of yours, somebody you have been hoping to come back. If you have been hoping for a reconciliation, that it is about to happen, then yes, you are right. No matter what your situation is, relationship or marriage, whatever you're thinking right now is going to happen. If you had a long distance with your partner, or if your partner had a traveling job, or if they were not ready to commit to you, if they were too focused on their goals, now they will be coming back to you. I see them coming back after achieving their goals. They want to go back home, they are tired. And who is their home? You are their home, Pisces. So I do see somebody coming back with a commitment, somebody coming back with a promise of spending more time with you, somebody coming back with a marriage proposal. So anything is possible here. I also say that if you were not ready, you will be ready. If your partner was not ready, they will be ready. A new beginning is awaiting for you, whether it's with somebody from the past or if it's with a new person. That is the magic that you hold. So totally depends on you, what you are hoping for, what your intuition is telling you. All that is going to be possible this week. So it looks lovely. Your personal life looks great. Let's see what's happening in your career now. You've got the neophyte and the Four of Sons. You are overthinking. Let me just tell you, you are a hardworking person, but you stress a lot. You overthink a lot. Like, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know what's going to happen. So I do see that a lot of you could have applied for a job and waiting for a result. A lot of you could have been waiting for a promotion. A lot of you could have been given a competitive exam or something. You're hoping that the results will come out and you're also stressing about it. Whatever it is for you, let me just tell you, some good news is coming your way. You are going to be celebrating something soon, and some sort of applaud is coming your way. Like people are celebrating you in some way. So it could be that you're going out with your family after getting the results, after getting the job, after getting selected from the for that promotion or anything that's for you. Maybe you started a new business, you've seen growth in it, got some profit, right? Or cracked a good client deal or got a new customer. It can be anything for you, but I do see that community is celebrating you. It can be that you are doing something for the community where people are appreciating you. It can be that you're doing something for the country, okay, that people are appreciating you. You can be a soldier. It can be that you're doing something for your own society, maybe some NGO, or it could be that you're participating in any district, state, or national level championship. So it can be any kind of success for you. Each one of you are going through some sort of change and some sort of celebration where people around you also look very happy for your success. Your own friends and family look very happy for you. They're celebrating you in some way is what I can see. So please forget about those worry and this sleepless night that you have been having around this situation is going to come through. It's going to be beautiful. So July first week looks really, really good for you, Pisces. If you guys resonated with this reading, if you guys are hoping for it, you want to manifest it, please do comment so that you can claim this reading and get these positive energies to you. And yes, this was a general reading. If you would like to book a personal reading, if you have specific questions on your mind, I take personal readings as well. I have rituals available with me. I have specific love reading, no contact reading, and uh, connection reading. I also have different packages available. If you have more than one questions, I have packages available where you will also get a free remedy on how to remove the blockages from that area. And lastly, I take spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need guidance, you need to talk to somebody, you need, unbiased opinion on what you're doing right or wrong, and your secrets are safe, and nobody will laugh at you or judge you, then you can always come to me. I do have audio video call sessions available with me on Zoom, Google Meet, Instagram as well. And to book any of the services, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle as well, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please do follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis over there, including what are the prices of different services, which are very cheap, by the way. They start at 170 rupees. Yes, they go up in the thousands as well, but every service has a very cheap price available, so you can choose according to your budget, and that's the best part about my channel. Apart from that, when am I coming live, when is the new video coming, and when is the channel closed, when is the new service being launched, all these updates you can get from my Instagram channel. So if you would like to keep yourself updated, please, I suggest follow me on Instagram. Subscribe here to get the notification so that you can get your reading on time, before time. And yes, thank you so much for watching me, and I'm going to see you very, very soon. So till then, take care of yourself and bye bye.